हर जगह पे हमें एक सब स्टैंडर्ड रूम दी गई है।
अच्छा।
हर जगह पे अगर हम इतना पे करके हमें सब स्टैंडर्ड रूम मिलना था तो मैं और किसी के साथ जाती थी। मुझे विबिन के साथ कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि मैं विबिन टूर्स, श्रीकांत और अनिल उनके साथ मैं इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप्स भी कर चुकी हूँ और मैं हमेशा 4 स्टार 5 स्टार पे रहती हूँ। ठीक है, मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि उत्तराखंड में अकोमोडेशन शायद इतने नहीं मिलते क्योंकि ये 6 मंथ्स का सीजन है।
Correct.
लेकिन इतना भी बुरा रूम्स हम कभी भी देखे नहीं। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर उनके पास प्रीमियर रूम्स नहीं है तो मैं मानती हूँ, लेकिन हम जाके उनको कहने के बाद कि ऐसा क्या रूम दिया तब हमको अपग्रेड कर रहे। ये शायद आपका आप इससे ज्यादा भी बेटर रूम्स है, बट एवरी टाइम आई एम हैविंग टू, आप इंग्लिश, यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश?
Yeah, I am very comfortable in English.
Okay, so every time I'm having to fight to go back and tell them they're giving substandard rooms. I sent pictures to Shrikant today. आप एक बार देख लीजिए, यही हमारे साथ वो रिवर व्यू रिजॉर्ट में हुआ था, यही हमारे साथ यहाँ पे भी हो रहा है। एंड द थर्ड अदर प्लेसेस, व्हाट इज दैट अदर प्लेस दैट वी स्टेड इन बिटवीन? everywhere we are having the same issue. ऐसा दे रहे कि
in Barkot, in Guptakasi and Badrinath.
Yeah, in Badrinath, that is where I stayed. Sarovar Portico, of course, I thought at least the hotel will be good, but that is also hopeless. Food is hopeless. Accommodation is hopeless. And my only problem is every time, why should I go back and ask them and beg them to give me better rooms? So are you kind of, have you not paid them what I have given?
No. Okay, ma'am.
I don't know what is my problem.
Ma'am, this is not your problem. This is not my problem. Actually, what happened? We have paid and we have booked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before you are checking in, we get follow up all the things.
Right.
Okay. We say, but in Riverview and that Monal Resort, you got the same problem कि उन्होंने आपको पहले सब स्टैंडर्ड रूम दिया, उसके बाद आपको हमने जहाँ भी आपका होटल बुक किया है, we book everywhere premium category, just like you stay in Monkey Trail, cottage will be there, I think, है ना?
See, amazing place was good because I understand वहाँ पे amazing place was good because व्यू भी अच्छा था, खाना भी अच्छा था। See, जहाँ पे मुझे आपको अप्रिशिएट करना है मैं अप्रिशिएट करूंगी, जहाँ पे ठीक नहीं है मुझे आपको फीडबैक देना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू शुड नॉट हैव दैट टाई अप। क्योंकि इसके साथ अगर ये ऐसा कर रहे हैं तो ये बिल्कुल गलत है, क्योंकि for me I am extremely disappointed. Let me tell you very honestly. You
are not only disappointed, we are also disappointed with you from this hotel because we have paid. And this is your right to get your services, whatever you committed, है ना?
Exactly.
We are also disappointed.
That is, and I'm very, very upset about that. And again, as I said, I'm giving you this feedback because next time you should see. Guests come with the hope that they get good accommodation.
Correct.
I can pay higher than this. If you want me to pay higher, you tell me beforehand. I have told them specifically I want a 3-star or a 4-star accommodation and nothing less than that. तब इतना जब आप चार्ज कर रहे तो मुझे वो मेरा मिनिमम एक्सपेक्टेशन है। जहाँ पे अच्छा है Monkey Tail, I have no complaints. Amazing place, I have no complaints. But these two hotels, why do I have to come back and fight to them? इतना substandard rooms क्यों दे वो लोग? And ऐसा नहीं है कि दूसरे there are no other accommodations. You could have put in some other place. See, if you are getting it for a song, if you are getting it for cheaper, that is between you and this hotel guy. But I should get what I truly deserve. That is all that I'm saying.
Sorry, ma'am. It is just a operation glitch, nothing else. Because we have paid all the pair. All the hotel we have paid in Monal Resort. Especially, I would say one thing. I would like to advise you one thing. If you support me, if you cooperate me, just drop a review, an honest review, whatever you feel about the Monal Resort. Because
definitely, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that for every resort. I'm going to do that for Monal Resort. I'm going to do that for Riverview. Also, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it for everybody. Let me tell you, I'm going to do it even for your Sanchali's website also. Because honestly, this is the first time, and my experience has been worse. Let me be very honest. Because I definitely expected better standard. This is not, and I'm telling you, I have done so many travels with Vibin. You can check with Anil. I have never had a problem with Vibin tours, and I am extremely disappointed. I told them, please do not tie up with whichever this group is the next time, because they are not delivering what they promised. And I'm telling you honestly, ये भी मैं आपको पहले ही feedback दे रही हूँ because उन लोगों को क्या feedback दी already.
Good.
Because this is not what I expected.
Okay, not expected, but the mountain journey is unexpected journey, madam, and we are dealing with the mind. You know, you just that hotel person, I paid the money. That hotel person operating their hotel, if he do some bluff at the time, how can we control it? You tell me one thing.
That is the reason.
How can we control it? We have paid. The hotel person do it. So how can we उसके लिए? अभी for the reason if you say कि नहीं आप you just
आप एक शेखर जी आप भी ना आप see that is not my problem. How do you run your operations is not my problem, right?
Ma'am, it's an operation glitch. It happens.
For me, I am a customer.
It happens.
No, it is with
we
you.
We are not AI.
People.
We are the human being. We are the original intelligence.
No. That is all. I have taken.
No. I would say one thing, madam. All things not go correct in the life. Or this happened when you go to mountain. Then you, if you think we do not give any premium, you just check with other travelers or other any agent. You will get the same property with same whatever it is. है ना? तो we trying to संचाली madam, your sir in Hyderabad.
No, hold on. My question is not कि यहाँ पे बिल्कुल अगर accommodations नहीं है, for example केदार में हम गए, वहाँ जैसा भी रहने थे बहुत मिनिमलिस्टिक है, हम वहीं पे रह लेंगे, है कि नहीं? मैं आपकी बात मानती हूँ, but at mountain travel this is not the first time. I'm 51 years old. I have been traveling for more than 30 years in my life now. And I'm a very frequent traveler. And I have done international trips. I've done national trips. I have already come to Badrinath. I have gone to all of the hill stations. I've completed Sikkim. I've gone to in a mountains outside India also. So my question is not about that. That is the reason why I'm talking with experience here, Shekharji. I'm not a the Gen Z traveler who's making fuss about it. Nahi. I'm talking with sense because I'm old enough to give you the feedback because you should know what is happening. And this is your operational problem. I understand. मेरा problem ये है कि अगर मान लीजिए कि वो क्या जगह था रिवर व्यू में प्रीमियर का एकोमोडेशन ही नहीं है उनके पास, तो उतना ही है उनके पास. There is only one variety of rooms, or there is nothing which is better than what they gave me. I understand. Or I would come back and fight with you for the money that I gave you. You booked me in the 2-star, you could have booked me in a 3-star, right? मैं आपसे वो बात मानती हूँ, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये लोग क्या कर रहे, सबसे बेकार का रूम्स पहले दे रहे. And when I go back and look around, that is when they're coming back and telling me, okay, madam, no, if you're unhappy, no, please do it. So they're trying to resolve the issue.
Not just like
and that. Again, I'm telling you, that comes. Not just like that. I do not know what is the rapport that they have with you. For me, I feel that you don't hold a good reputation with them. मैं वैसे ही मानती हूँ, क्योंकि अगर संचाली मैडम का बुकिंग है तो भाई हमको बेस्ट देना है. That is what your team should understand. Now, that is your operational gap that you must fix. That is not my problem. I am telling you because I handle a team of 100 plus employees.
Honestly, I completely agree with you. And we just do this. No, we just do this.
So you get the point what I'm trying to say. I manage a team of 100 employees. I'm an executive director in a US bank. Okay, I also do. I know what our operational challenges are. But my question that I'm trying to say you is, ऐसा रहना चाहिए. अगर संचालित का मैडम बुकिंग है तो मुझे बेस्ट देना चाहिए. That is the reputation that you should carry.
नहीं.
That shows the reputation of संचालित. That shows the reputation of your team. ठीक है. That's all that I'm trying to say. And I have अभी भी हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. अब सब कुछ हो गया.
Just a second.
अब सब कुछ हो गया.
नहीं. It's not by the reputation. Reputation से madam nobody think about the reputation. All think about the business. All think about the profit. And definitely I am not thinking, I am just thinking that if I paid you, then I need a good service, and I paid for a good use. Okay.
Exactly.
Monal Resort was paid for premium room with triple sharing MEP plan. You are not our one guest, ma'am. Sorry, I would say before you, I have passed in Monal Resort. I think 4 or 3 groups are already checked out by be booked. We did not get any issue. When today I get this is the problem, I just call. I do not say. I say, madam, please, I pay for you. You give me the service.
Right.
And he
And
sir,
आप Monal
he
Resort
told,
के photos
ma'am,
देखे हैं ना?
because this problem I negotiate, I discuss with that Monal Resort, जिसके साथ बुकिंग किया मैंने, लॉस ऑफ टाइम है ना, कन्वर्सेशन हुआ,
हाँ.
रिजल्ट क्या है, वो भी यहाँ पर जो स्टाफ है करता है, ब्लफ किया, उसके लिए एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी। अभी तो रूम आपका ठीक होगा आई थिंक, ठीक है।
हाँ. Yeah, this is that is all that I'm saying. आप शेखर जी आप ये बात समझिए.
मैं I got you.
It has happened with 3 other people, but it has not happened with me. Then they are doing something which is. See, I deserve what I deserve. I don't want to compare myself with 3 other people. Whatever they raise, the loop they got. But for me, I have paid my money. I should get the worth of what I'm paying for. Simple. Right?
So, ma'am,
now that is why I'm saying आपका Monal Resort का आपका reputation ऐसा होना चाहिए कि okay, you know what, I cannot compromise on this booking because it is coming from Sanchali or whether it is coming from Shekhar ji. Now the same thing happened with the 2 places. ठीक है भाई, मान लेते एक जगह पे ठीक है नहीं है, but दूसरी जगह भी वही. Why do I have to keep fighting? I mean, that is not the way that I feel. Wherever I go, I travel, either it is a 4-star or a 3-star, and especially in mountains, I have taken 5-star if I go out of India. Why do I do that? For the comfort I'm paying, right? Now, I will expect the same service, and that is the reason why I have given this feedback to Srikanth, and I'm giving you also. You need to fix your operations issue, whatever it is. Even if you are sending 5 people, their service should be same. They cannot say कि ठीक है एक लोगों को अच्छा रूम देते, दूसरे वालों को ठीक है, इनको जाके देखते हैं खराब सा कमरा दे देंगे, अगर ये आके बोलेंगे तो तब हम चेंज करेंगे. That is a very bad attitude. That is a very bad attitude. You need to fix that. That's all that I'm telling you as a feedback.
This is Yatra, ma'am. I just agree to you, but still I would say
I don't have anything more to say, Shekhar ji. Okay. I want you to fix that, and that's all that I want to tell you. And I'm telling you honestly, I'm happy with Monkey Tail. I'm happy with Amazing. But honestly, the rest of the 3 places are very. And driver is excellent. Driver is excellent. He's a wonderful person. बहुत अच्छा drive कर रहा है. I'm very happy with him. He's done a fantastic job. And of course, initially he was going a little fast, but I told him to control it. Ever since, he's been doing a great job. And by God's grace, he's done a good job in taking us around and everything. So I have no complaints. But these 3 accommodations, I have to give you a feedback because I don't want other guests like me, to suffer like me. Simple.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I will mark.
Yes. And make sure that you are also taking this feedback to Monal Resort or whoever it is कि अगर हमारा booking है तो आपको best देना चाहिए. I am telling you how to run your operations.
Thank you, ma'am.